up? It's Noah Wellmaker here, and today I am doing a Nerf gun review. And I'm going to show you all the guns, but I will have individual reviews up maybe in a day or two. So, first gun, we have the SideWinder. It's a pretty cool gun. I like this little circle here, when you can just take it out easily. Next gun, the Jolt. Just a little gun, but packs a really big punch. If you show over here. Okay. Next gun. Have a little Nerf Super Soaker. Use this little lever. Unlock the magazine. Basically, just an average Super Soaker. Also has a tactical rail right here, though. And keep forgetting what this gun's name is, but it has a tactical rail right here. It did have a little handle right here. And yeah, I forget what this gun is called. If you let me know in the comments, that would be great. This is the Stryfe. Has regular magazine, see-through, 18 clip, but that actually is the magazine. Has tactical rail on the bottom right here, front right here, and it has a back attachment. Also has a jam door, and it's motorized. Next, we have this guy, the Rapidfire CS-18. This is one of my favorite guns because mag, jam door, same thing like this. Tactical rail, little scope pin right here. This back thing is adjustable. Tactical rail right here, right here, right here, right here. This is tactical rail heaven. And has this little scope that you can put down or up. And it's also motorized like the other gun. Oh, and don't forget this back thing attached to your jeans. Then the last gun, the StrongArm, or I like to call it basically the upgraded Maverick. Has the classic cock and shoot style. Also, I put a zombie strike dart in there because I think it looks cool. Green's my favorite color. Has tactical rail right here, and has a little handle right here, and that's pretty much it. But it also has this 6-shooter thing. You push the button, comes out, you spin it, put it back in, and cock and shoot as normal. And that's all we have today. Just remember, if you're a boy, girl, or an awesome dude, come and join the Wellmaker crew.